welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see some of the interesting concepts and one of the most advanced concept in this video. So in this video we are going to cover read-only attribute and server-side attribute of the page items and the regions. So let us begin. First of all, we will see read-only attribute. So from the name itself we can conclude that read-only attribute is going to make any page item read only, that is the user cannot enter the values into the page item. That is the purpose of this attribute. So now we can make that changes how it will affect it. In this page server side rendering, I just created a page. In this I am going to add one page item. In this page item I am going to name it as some text and I am going to make it as text field itself. So here it's a text. So now I'm just going to show this output. Here you can see the text field is created and I am able to edit or enter the values. But in my scenario I should not enter the values. I should restrict the user to enter the value based on some conditions. For example, if the condition is like, for example, if the person entered is like admin, you should able to enter the values. If the person logged in is like end user, then you should not able to enter the value. You should be able to read only the values or the page item. So like kind of scenarios, these concepts will be very useful. How to make this? So I just created the text field, and under the text field I'm going to the property below. Here you can see read only one attribute is there. Click on this, there will be several expressions or conditions will be present, like rows present and no rows written expression, like that. Now you can select any of the thing, like item is null, not null, many condition is there. Now I am going to select expression. In this expression I am going to enter 1 not equal to 1. For example, this expression will evaluate to false, that is 1 is not equal to 1 is false, 1 is equal to 1, so this will be false. Then if it is false, then the text box will be not in read only mode, it is like editable mode, you can edit. If this condition is true, then the page item will be set to read only mode. For example, here I am just making 1 equal to 1, then 1 equal to 1 is true, then this condition is satisfied and the read only property is applied on the page item. Now you can see I cannot able to, I am entering the value but I cannot able to enter the values. It is converted to read only mode, so user cannot enter the values, only they can view the data. So in this type of concepts can be implemented while we come across the scenarios like if the logged in employee is admin, then you should have the ability to edit the values, and if the logged in employee is normal end user, you should not have the ability to enter the values. So these things will be applicable to page items, that is particularly to text fields and other kind of page items which the user can able to enter the values by default. So this is most useful feature, that is a small and lightweight feature which is saves a lot of time in manual coding by hiding this or enabling, disabling the page item. This is unwanted things. So by using this property you can make this page item either editable or non-editable. Thank you.